This project didn't start as a gas-powered machine. It started as an electric system. It wasn't enough. So instead of trying to fix small problems, I decided to change everything completely. And this is the result of that decision. Immediately, you can feel the difference. The response is instant. The torque is there. This is no longer a test system. This is something real. But to get here, I had to start from zero again. Everything that was built for the electric system had to be removed. The battery structure, the motor mount, all of it. Because this new system demands a completely different architecture. Cutting into the frame is not just modification, it's a commitment. Once it's gone, there is no going back. But that's part of engineering. You don't move forward by staying safe. You move forward by making decisions. Now comes the most critical step, mounting the engine. This is where everything either works or completely fails. Alignment is everything. The engine shaft and the drivetrain must be perfectly matched. Even a small error will create vibration, and vibration destroys performance. So this process was not rushed, measured, adjusted, checked again, and only then fixed. Now the control system, the throttle, this is what connects the driver to the machine. It's not just a wire, it's feedback, response, control. Too sensitive and it becomes unstable. Too slow and it becomes useless. So this required tuning over and over again until the response felt natural. This time it works. Not just moving, not just spinning, but performing. The response is real. The power is real. This is what the system was meant to be. From a distance, it looks simple, but every part was built by hand, tested, failed, and rebuilt again. That's the process. That's engineering. Everything is set, ready to go.
와 진짜 빨라. 빠른데? 와! 진짜 잘 만들었다. 성공했다. 와 기가 막히네.
If you're watching this and thinking I can't build something like this, you're wrong. This didn't start perfect. It started with mistakes, bad designs, failures, and learning from them. That's how this was built. So if you're thinking about building something, start, try it, fail, fix it, and build it again, because that's how this works and that's how you get here. If you want to see what happens next, like, subscribe and stay tuned.